And then you can always come back to seated if you want to do just your big toe. So see if you can spread out your other toes, press them into the floor. And notice I can tell a difference. My right big toe, it's easier to lift than my left. And then press your big toes down and lift your other toes. And can you lift them and spread them out? So why are we doing all this foot stuff? The more mobility and strength I have in my feet, the less chance of falling and the better I'm able to balance. And you can do that same little heel lift. From here, you could do one leg at a time. So we're just experimenting, moving our feet a little bit. And then you can roll onto the outside of your feet, the pinky toe side, and roll onto the inside. So when I'm seated, I don't have my full weight on my feet. I've got a little bit of weight on my feet. So I probably will have more ability to move. You could try the same thing from standing. You could roll one foot, pinky toe side, big toe side, the other foot. You could do both feet in and out. And you'll notice stuff happens in your legs and hips. So we're not trying to hold anything else still. You can let your knees rotate. You can let your hips move.